fry me some chicken and don't forget the hot sauce. What do we have here, Vanessa? Wow, it's an International Farmall 450. What a beauty. The Farmall 450 replaced the 400 in 1956 and was produced until 1958. The 450 had similar style updates to the corresponding 300 and 350 upgrades to the H-line, but it had the larger 281 cubic inch gasoline engine. The Farmall 450 had roughly 50 horsepower and was made in both diesel and LPG models. About 39,000 450s were produced in the United States, and the tractor is still in service today, providing farmers with a reliable tractor capable of meeting many of the tasks still needed around the farm. The 450 is definitely a classic.